Uneeni wa Kumukuniisya Maleve President Willium Ruto Nisyasumbika Kyathii cha Kutania Sikuku Athukumi Kana Labor Day Vala Atongi Mekivathukunio Maeleysa Kwianiwa Kwoo ni Undu President wao Uthukumite Maikulya Enenthi Kumusakua Ingi na Kumutunga Kivilani kwa Ivinda ya Keli Uneenini wawito ninumwa Kyathii kwivethana na Uteti wa tene lotonya kulikilila mawalanio ma maendeleo na kutia nthi ya Kenya vathuku. Daniel Mwongela na ripoti yesu.
Kyathii cha Kutania Sikuku ya Athukumi Kana Labor Day kila chatwa Vihiga. Vasi ya kunia Maleve na kusoka deko lei Nisyasumbika Atongi alame serikalini maikadhi ya muno Atongi wa musumbi Dr. Willium Ruto. Ndini mwa Uneeni wake musumbi Willium Ruto ni waelekana ena mwiki wa Kana nthi ya Kenya yende na usumbi kwa Undu vailite ndakania Atongi kalekoni wa ulei yulu wa kululuti cha Enenthi.
So we can have a conversation, we can have as many headlines as we want, but it will not change the reality. The reality is Kenya is changing. Tuko pamoja ama tuko pamoja bwana? Si ndio? Vile Bartimayo alisema nilikuwa kipofu lakini sasa ninaona, we can point to real stuff that has changed in Kenya. And there is no amount of report, there is no amount of writing sponsored headlines that is going to change the reality. And I am determined, working with all the leaders in the Republic of Kenya to change our nation.
Nake mwandiki munene wa Kutania kuletea mabata ma Athukumi kotu Francis Atoli ni walesekana na mwiki yo munene wa Kana kumana na Uthukumi wa musumbi Enenthi onthe Kumusakua Ingi na Kumutunga Kivilani Uneeni ula waendana wa Musalia Mudavadi urana kiwaelesekana usakuani ni munene Enenthi Kumusakua Willium Ruto na Kumutunga Ingi Kivilani kwa Ivinda ya Keli.
And as I had painted out the picture that the economy has done very well, I know you have something for us this year and next year. And these workers, all of them who went through here, they were indicating to you that this region and workers' constituents in the Republic of Country are Tutam.
For me, I am sure it is Tutam. I want us to be sure it is Tutam. Is it Tutam? Is it Tutam? So, kile sasa nataka tuzungumuzie is not the aspect of Tutam. It is now the margin of that Tutam. What is going to be the margin of the Tutam? Hatutaki Tutam ambaye mtu ataenda kwa petition. Tunataka Tutam ambaye itapitia kwa debe, voted by the people with a resounding majority.
Unuyo voitano ni waunya kwanza Maeleysa kwa nemevaka ABC kusiemana na Atongi ya lawa wetera matwa isi Uteti wa tene na kumosea matambia maki miao.
In any country where we have political turmoil or strife, it is workers, women, and children who suffer because they can't fly out. These self-proclaimed leaders of the opposition, they will run away. You will not see them here. And they must be tamed by law. And this is the work of IEBC and our government to make sure that since we are not in an electioneering period, you are busy developing this country. You are busy everywhere inspecting government projects, and some people are trying to mar the good work that you are doing.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutungo TV, Kumuvaka Untini, Yamasako.